Hey, what's up, everybody? I wanted to do a quick video on a run through Aweber and kind of show you guys a tutorial on how to send broadcast message to your list with the super affiliate network. So, um, if you're a pro member, you would have gotten your 1,000 lead seed list, they call it, and so in here in Aweber, mine was called Sand Bulk. So whatever if Sand set it up for you, they probably would have named it Sand Bulk. But whatever list you're trying to broadcast to, you want to select here. As you can see, I got several under here. But the bulk list is who you would want to send a broadcast to. So you want to make sure and select current. If you want to broadcast to all your list, I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. But anyway, so we're here in Aweber. Current list is sand bulk. As you see here, there's a create message. So what you want to do is click create message, and you have some options here. To be honest with you, I've never ever used plain text message or HTML editor. I always go to drag and drop email builder. And so you just click on that, and it's going to load up. And as you see here, it brings up your template, kind of already done for you. Nothing fancy here, but you can definitely do a lot more and play around with some of the other HTML if you know anything about code or not. But if you see here, you have different, headlines. What you would do is just kind of click and drag, and it would put another spot in there for you. And each one of these do different things. If you want to add an image, you would drag that image in here. The same with a video, you would drag it in there. If you want to add your social media buttons on the bottom of your emails, your Twitter or Facebook, it'll put a button down there for you. It looks real nice, but I haven't used that either. So I just usually put a link to my Facebook page. But basically here you can play with your, let's see, let me click back on here. You can play with your fonts here, not too many to choose from. I just usually leave it where it's at, but that's up to you. You got your size that you can choose from. Again, personal preference. I usually just use what's here. And then your I don't know what they call this toolbar, bold, italic, underline. If you're going to add a link to a word, that you would use this button, and I'll show you how to do that too because that's pretty important. And for numbered list or bullet points list, you would click on here. I usually leave everything left aligned. So basically, I don't come in here and I don't mess with anything except for this area here, which I bold words and I'll put links in. So basically, what I do is I'm gonna just click delete that. By the way, if you want to add the person's first name, you can see this piece of code here. You don't have to remember that. This is if you want to put first names. This is what you can do. And normally, what I do is I'll just put hi or hello or hey, just like that, and then I'll just skip down the line and then start my email. But if you'd rather use a first name, as you see here, I deleted everything. What you would do is come to personalize right here and click on full name, first name, last name, email address. I don't know why you want to put that, but full first name is what you would normally want to do. You just click on that, and as you see here, it put in the code for you. So you don't have to put the person's name. Aweber will automatically, if their email address has a name attached to it, they will automatically put the name in there for you. Um, so that's an easy way to put the names up there if you want the names. So here's where you would enter your subject line test email is what I'm going to do, and then obviously you want to type up your email. So as you see here, I mean, obviously this is not an email, but whatever email you put here, this is basically what you would do. So if you want to add a link, which is what I suggest, you don't want to just put a raw link. You know, that just looks weird, and it's nobody does that. So don't ever put a link. If you want, you know, to send them to your super affiliate network page, you would put that in a text link like they call it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that here. So right here, I put follow me on Facebook here. So I would highlight Facebook, and I would click on this little gear, or not gear, this little link. You would click on it. If you saw that, if you hover over it, it'll tell you that it's the link. So you want to leave your link type as URL. You don't want to mess with this here. You see where the cursor's at is telling you for the URL. So my Facebook URL is facebook.com/Billy Montez. And if you see here, it does a little check mark, and that's letting you know that, yeah, it's a good link, it's working. So then you hit OK. And if you do that, as you see here, it underlined and it made the word Facebook blue. So when somebody gets this email, they're going to see that. And if they want to follow me on Facebook, they'll click on that and it'll take them straight to my Facebook page. So you would you would basically do the same for your super affiliate network. But the super affiliate network is what you call an affiliate link. So what you essentially want to do. So let's say if you want to. So as you see here, so this would be a perfect spot right here, and you could even you know put arrows just to make it a little more obvious here. But this one, I would want this word. You know, you wouldn't want to put a raw link in here. You'd want to highlight this, whatever you want them to click on, and click this link button. But let's go to let me go to Click Magic. And that's another thing that you guys want to do is make sure that when you're putting a link here that it's a Click Magic link, so this way you can know if you're getting any clicks and where they came from. Don't just put your raw super affiliate network link here. You know, take your super affiliate network link. Let me show you here. So this right here is a link that I made for super affiliate network. So as you see here, here's my super affiliate network link. So what I did was I clicked on create new link, and I have a tutorial video on that one as well in the group if you don't know how to make a link. But basically, here's my super affiliate network. So some people may just take this link here and then put that link here. That's not what you want to do. What you want to do is actually set you a tracking link like I did. So I put that here. So this would be my tracking link. So I would copy this link here, copy, and then I would go to this chain link here. I would copy and paste that tracking link here, and once you see, you'll see here the little check mark letting you know that's good to go. So then you hit OK. So you see here, it underlined that, and it's good to go. So that's basically how you do a broadcast email to your list. So let's go ahead and finish this up here. So let me see if I can move the screen. If you see down here, there's a save and exit. I'm going to go ahead and save and exit because I got a subject line, I got my body, my links are ready to go. So I'm going to hit save and exit. And once that happens, you're going to come to another screen where you can set your options and set where you want it to go and what time you want it to go. Sorry about the slow connection there. So So when you come up, your message is going to be in the drafts section, which is where you want it to be because you haven't sent it to your list. So here's my email that I just made, test email. What you're going to want to do is you see the send options here. So you just click on that. You can send a test email to yourself, which is what I suggest you do, and then you can click on the link just to make sure everything works. Schedule a broadcast and add a follow-up series. I can show you guys how to do a follow-up series in the next video, but for this one here, let's just keep on the same topic here, broadcast. So we're going to say schedule a broadcast. When you do that, you see here, do you want to share this message? If you want to share it on Facebook or Twitter, you'd be able to do that here, but you have to link your accounts to Aweber, and I haven't did that, so I can't show you. But there are some people who do that. Who should receive this message? This is where you want to go. So if you only have one list, then obviously you don't have to mess with this button. But I have several lists, so what I normally do is I'll click edit, and if you look here, include all list, and then you can choose to exclude. So normally what I do is I'll just click this button here, and it'll send this message to every single list that I had and into every single subscriber I have. So I guess I should let you know, make sure that you hit apply. If you don't hit apply, it's not going to save the changes. And again, you do not have to mess with this unless you have multiple lists. If you only have one list, as you see here, it's going to put it in there for you. When should this message be sent? If you want it to go right now, just click send message now and it'll send it immediately. But let's say you're getting your messages ready for the next day. You'd want to click on when should this message be sent. You want to click on edit, and you see here it brings up a calendar. And basically, if you can see here, I do 2 emails every single day. So let's say I want to set this one up for Sunday. There's Sunday the 26th. You just click on it and you send the time right here. You just set the time that you want, 9 a.m. You can choose your time zone, and then you hit apply, and right here, this message here. Let me just show you real quick. So I'm going to do 7 a.m. and I'm going to click apply. As you see here, it says schedule a message for Sunday, March 26th at 12 a.m., which is what I told it to do. So from there, you want to just click that button and it'll save it for you. And on Sunday at 12 a.m., it will send that broadcast out to your list. That's basically how you send a broadcast in Aweber to your super affiliate network list. So if you guys have any questions, definitely comment on this video, or inside our group you can ask the question there, and I'll help you out. So look forward to the other video that I will be doing on how to make a follow-up list for your new leads that you'll be getting. This way you don't have to send an email every single time. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks.